Next, BC command. So if you look at this can be used as a calculator and a small language for writing small numerical programs. So let's look at this in action. And now if I give something like 2 plus 5, the result is 7. 6 into 4, the result is 24. So we can use it as a small kind of calculator. There are some more options like I base, which is used to set the input base. Let me say the input base is a decimal system, which is 10, and O base, which represents output base. Let me choose binary number system, so the base is 2. Now if I give input in decimal system like 10, the output base is the output is binary, which is 1010. So this is about BC command. And next command is spell. So let's see if this works here, or I will use xubuntu for this. Spell abc.txt. So spell command is not there. I will use xubuntu for this. So first of all, let me check what are the files available here. So ls is a command which is used to list the files and folders which are available in the current folder. I will talk about this command later in another module. For now, just get on with it. There is a file called abc.txt here. Let me see what is the abc.txt file. So this is the text here. So let me use spell command on this abc.txt. So actually there are no mistakes in that file. Let me modify the abc.txt file with mistakes. So I am writing welcome to Unix. U is supposed to be capital here, but I gave small letter. This is cool. So a spelling mistake here, and this is sample text. So there is a mistake in the word sample. I am coming out by hitting Ctrl D. Now I will use spell command on this file. So it is showing me the mistakes. There is a mistake on Unix word, call word, which is supposed to be cool, and it is saying this word is also a mistake, which is supposed to be sample. So this command will only list the words which are having mistakes. So that is about spell command. And the last command we are going to look at in this module is ispell. So if you look at here, it is mentioned this command is used for spell checking and it provides additional options. So what are these additional options? Let's look at those things. So I am using the same file as input. abc.txt. So wow, this is cool. So it is showing, it is highlighting which word is wrong, and also it is providing suggestions for modifying that. So here I want to choose 2, so I am giving 2. And next mistake it is showing is call. So this is supposed to be cool, so I am choosing 14. And next wrong is sample, so sample is 1. So let's look at the content of abc.txt file. Wow, everything is modified with the correct version. So Unix, U is capital, cool, and sample. So that is about ispell command. Let's move on. So next thing is about command substitution. So this is very simple. So what is command substitution? We can execute another command as a part, we can execute a command as a part of another command, and the command we are executing first is included in between back quotes. So what I meant by this is, let me come back to this screen. So if you want to print something like this, today's date is, let me use the date command inside this date, and the option %D, which is only going to print current date. So let's see what will be the output. So here it is supposed to print the date, but the command is printed as it is. So what we have to do is, we have to include this date plus %D inside back quotes like this. So now what happens is, when this command is executed, this inner command is going to execute, and the output of this is going to be substituted in the echo command. So the output of this is, now we got the actual thing. Today's date is 27/2018. So here this part is command substitution, which is done using back quotes. Let's move on. The next thing is giving multiple commands. So instead of executing commands line by line, we can use multiple commands on the same line, which are separated by semicolon. So we can use semicolon as a separator and write multiple commands on the same command line, and the commands are executed one after another from left to right. So let's see this in action. So let me clear this. Okay, so the different commands we have seen are who, and let's say date and cal. So if you look at this, I am executing the commands one by one, but if wanted, I can give them on a single line. Who followed by date followed by semicolon followed by cal. So now if you see this, the output is being shown from left to right. So this is the output of who command, this is the output of date command, and finally this is the output of cal command. So this is how you can give multiple commands in a single line using the semicolon character. And that is it. We completed module 1. We will meet again in module 2, which is Unix file system. Thank you.